At your khutbah of yesterday, Hazur, I'd like to make a suggestion in respect to the children between young age and 7 years. That I feel that, as you rightly pointed out, that's a very important age, and the influence of the parents is very necessary with the children. However, one of the things that are necessary also is to bring them to the mosque and so on. One of the things that is very important is also to bring the children to the mosque, right, and associate them with our ways and so on. A lot of parents are hesitant to bring children to the mosque at the age of 5, 6, or even less than that, because they feel that they might interfere with the prayers or with the listening of any other, so on and so forth. So I suggest that we should have a small room here, like on the French style of crochet or play pens or whatever they might like to be, so that children can be brought. It would also encourage those parents who don't want to come because of the children, right, to bring them here. So I think it's very important we should look into this.
I think a room should be provided in every mission, and this is what I have been telling all the missionaries in charge in various countries, that they must, as a routine, provide a room for children, for the ladies who come along with their children, and they have to deposit their baby somewhere.
Yes.
So it should be in an organized way of providing facilities for children where they could play and somebody could look after them while they are there.
Good.
Not only the age, children belonging to the age of 5, but less than that, even small infants, yes, should be provided. A room should be provided for them and all facilities. So in the new missions which we are building now with the grace of Allah, we are permanently providing this place. But in the ones which were built earlier, the difficulty is that of the planning. It's sometimes very difficult to obtain permission from the planning department to add a room or two to the existing building. But I think in this one we have already got a permission in principle. So somebody should remind Abdul Shi Sahib that if a children's room can be provided as suggested, with a view that the ladies should appoint someone to look after them, and they should be provided with the... In fact, I have already spoken to him previously too. We saw one children's room in a ship when we came from Norway to here. It was provided with all sorts of toys, but also with the floor where they could not hurt themselves. Yes. And the toys were of a nature that even if they beat each other with the maximum of their force, they would not hurt each other. So such rooms are very important.
They call clichés in French.
Yes.
Yes.
Niché.
Cliché.
Cliché.
Yes.
What does cliché mean?
It means an environmental room for children.
Cliché.
Yes.
Right.
Thank you.
So that's what's needed. Thank you.